Communication breakdowns frequently stem from a deficit in active listening skills. Individuals often interrupt each other, hindering genuine comprehension of the message. This failure to truly hear and understand leads to misunderstandings. The resulting misinterpretations can cause frustration and reduce overall efficiency. Clarity in communication is achieved through simplified language. Focusing on key points ensures the message is easily understood. Concise messaging builds confidence in the sender. Clear messaging builds confidence in the receiver. Clear communication ensures the message is actionable. Active listening involves fully engaging with the speaker. Key techniques include maintaining eye contact and nodding to show attentiveness. Paraphrasing the speaker's ideas ensures a deeper understanding of their message. Active listening fosters a more collaborative environment by demonstrating genuine interest. Constructive feedback is a crucial element for personal and professional development. It turns errors into valuable learning experiences. Effective feedback is delivered with respect and positive reinforcement. This approach fosters trust between individuals. Ultimately, constructive feedback enhances overall performance. Tone plays a crucial role in the interpretation of digital messages. The same message can be perceived differently based on the tone used. Empathy in messaging fosters understanding and appreciation. Curt or impersonal tones can hinder effective communication. Consideration of tone enhances the overall quality of digital interactions. Effective communication is crucial for team success. It involves both speaking clearly and listening attentively. Clear speaking ensures messages are easily understood. Attentive listening ensures understanding and respect. Mastering these skills fosters deeper connections among team members. This leads to a more harmonious and productive work environment. Misunderstandings frequently arise from making assumptions about others' intentions. Before reacting to a perceived slight, seek clarification to understand the other person's perspective. Use open-ended questions to encourage a more detailed explanation. Open-ended questions help uncover hidden meanings or unspoken assumptions. Clarification prevents misinterpretations by addressing the root cause of the misunderstanding. Proactive clarification fosters better communication and reduces conflict. Nonverbal cues, including body language, significantly impact communication effectiveness. Open posture facilitates better understanding and engagement during interactions. Positive facial expressions contribute to building rapport and trust. Effective use of nonverbal cues enhances overall communication quality. Adapting communication style is crucial for effective interaction. Tailor the message to match the audience's level of understanding. Consider the cultural background of the audience. Adapting to the audience ensures maximum impact and engagement. Emotional intelligence is crucial for navigating difficult conversations effectively. It involves recognizing and managing one's own emotions during conflict. Understanding and empathizing with the emotions of others is also essential. These skills enable constructive conflict resolution and improved outcomes.